Are you ready to explore the secrets behind modern products? Join us in the colorful world of manufacturing, where creative ideas become reality. We will share with you in-depth knowledge, interesting stories about modern factories, and the latest trends in the industry. Want to update useful information and become an expert in the field of manufacturing? Don't hesitate, click the register button today to explore and learn with us. Snowplow trains are specialized trains designed to clear snow from railway tracks, ensuring smooth rail traffic in severe weather conditions. They play a vital role in countries with cold winters and heavy snowfall. Snowplows are equipped with large blades that can rotate and adjust the angle to push snow off the tracks. These blades are usually made of hard materials that are resistant to abrasion and impact. In addition to the blades, snowplows also have plows to scrape and push away thick layers of snow that adhere to the tracks. Brushes are used to sweep snow off the rails and other equipment on the railway. Some snowplows are also equipped with water spray systems to melt snow and mud. Do you want to know more about the countries that use snowplow trains the most? Large ships weigh thousands, even hundreds of thousands of tons. To rotate such a huge mass around an axis requires a huge amount of energy and an extremely sturdy shaft structure. The ship has a very large moment of inertia, especially around the horizontal axis. This makes rotating the ship extremely difficult and energy-consuming. Rotating the ship can cause structural deformations, even breakage of the ship, causing serious consequences for people and property. Controlling a large object to rotate around an axis to accurately launch into the water is extremely difficult, requiring extremely complex technology and high cost. The ship is assembled on a floating platform. Then the floating platform is pulled out to sea, and the ship is lowered into the water. The ship is assembled in a floating dock. Then the floating dock is filled with water to lift the ship up and pulled out to sea, then drained to let the ship drift down. Do you want to learn more about the stages of shipbuilding? Instead of mowing your lawn yourself, you can entrust this job to these smart, hard-working little robots. Robots are equipped with sensors to detect obstacles such as trees, fences, or even pets. Thanks to that, they can automatically adjust their direction of movement to avoid collisions. Robots use complex algorithms to plan their paths, ensuring that they cut the grass evenly and do not miss any areas. To limit the working area, lawn mower robots often use electronic fences. When they come into contact with the fence, the robot automatically changes direction. Do you want to know how to choose the right lawn mower robot? When the rock breaker is operating, the friction between the mechanical parts and the continuous collision with the rock will generate a large amount of heat. Spraying water helps cool these parts, prevent overheating, and protect the machine from damage. Rock breaking creates a lot of rock dust, seriously affecting the health of the operator and those working around. Spraying water helps reduce the amount of dust floating in the air, creating a cleaner working environment. Water helps soften the rock, reduce the resistance when breaking rock, helping the machine operate more efficiently. Water cools the drill bit, making the drill bit more durable and minimizing wear. The noise from the rock breaking process is very loud. Spraying water helps reduce noise, creating a more comfortable working environment for the operator. Spraying water on the rock breaker is a simple but very effective technical measure, helping to protect the machine, ensure labor safety, and protect the environment. Do you want to know more about the types of rock breaker? The rock breaker is a specialized equipment installed on a crane to break large blocks of rock into smaller pieces. It works on the principle of applying strong and continuous force to the rock's surface, causing cracks and eventually breaking the rock. The rock breaker head is the most important part, including a hard and sturdy tip. This tip is made of super hard materials such as tungsten carbide alloy, which is highly resistant to wear and impact. This system provides power for the operation of the rock breaker head. Hydraulic oil is pumped into the cylinder, creating great pressure to push the tip into the rock. The control lever is used to adjust the angle and direction of the rock breaker head, making it easy for the operator to access the positions that need to be broken. First, the tip of the rock breaker is inserted into the position that needs to be broken on the rock block. The hydraulic system pumps oil into the cylinder, creating great pressure to push the tip deep into the rock. Strong pressure acts on the rock, creating cracks. When the cracks spread and become large enough, the rock will break into many smaller pieces. Want to learn more about rock breakers? Instead of mowing your lawn yourself, you can entrust this job to these smart, hard-working little robots. Robots are equipped with sensors to detect obstacles, such as trees, fences, or even pets. Thanks to that, they can automatically adjust their direction of movement to avoid collisions. Robots use complex algorithms to plan their paths, ensuring that they cut the grass evenly and do not miss any areas. To limit the working area, lawn mower robots often use electronic fences. When they come into contact with the fence, the robot automatically changes direction. Do you want to know how to choose the right lawn mower robot? Big waves, strong winds make it difficult to control the ship, increase the risk of waves hitting the ship, causing damage and spilling fish. Sudden temperature changes affect the quality of fish, especially fish with high temperature requirements. Fish are easily damaged during transportation due to impact, high temperature, lack of oxygen. Fish transported to the mainland must meet food safety regulations, ensuring quality and hygiene. The cost of preserving fish during transportation is also quite high. The risk of loss and damage to goods during transportation is also a cost that ship owners have to face. To overcome the above difficulties, ship owners need to invest in modern ships equipped with cooling systems, aeration, and advanced fish preservation equipment. In addition, compliance with food safety and environmental protection regulations is also very important. Do you want to learn more about solutions to overcome the above difficulties? When large ships encounter small ships believed to be pirates at sea, the situation becomes extremely dangerous and must be handled with caution. Large ships will often try to determine whether small ships are actually pirate ships or not through identifying signs, such as flags, crew actions, and weapons. Large ships will try to keep a safe distance from small ships to avoid being attacked. Before departure, large ships should choose routes that are considered safe and have a low risk of encountering pirates. Crews should be trained in anti-piracy skills. The number and type of weapons that pirates possess will determine the level of danger. Large ships should maintain regular contact with authorities to update information on the security situation at sea. Would you like to know more about this topic? CNC machines are an automatic control system for industrial machines, especially machine tools such as lathes, milling machines, laser cutters, etc., to perform material processing processes accurately and efficiently. Before processing, people will use CAD/CAM software to design the shape of the part to be processed and create a program consisting of numerical commands. This program is transmitted to the numerical controller of the CNC machine. The numerical controller will decode the commands and control the moving axes of the machine tool X, Y, Z axes so that the cutting tool moves along the program trajectory, cutting the workpiece into the final product. The machined parts on CNC machines have very high precision, ensuring the size and shape are correct according to the design drawing. Do you want to know more about a specific type of CNC machine? The construction of offshore wind farms is a daunting challenge, requiring the face of harsh ocean conditions, from rough waves, strong winds to sudden storms. This makes it difficult to transport, install, and maintain wind turbines. The salt-rich marine environment rapidly corrodes wind turbine equipment and structures, requiring advanced anti-corrosion materials and technologies. Fog reduces visibility, making operation and maintenance difficult. Lightning is dangerous to electrical equipment. Transporting heavy and bulky components of wind turbines to sea requires specialized vehicles and high transportation costs. Installation at sea requires special techniques, specialized equipment, and skilled workers, leading to high labor costs. Maintenance of offshore wind turbines is more frequent and expensive than onshore. Want to know more about the technological solutions being applied to overcome these difficulties? Dry ice, also known as dry ice, is the solid form of carbon dioxide, CO2. Unlike regular ice made from frozen water, dry ice sublimates, changes from solid to gas without leaving puddles. This feature makes dry ice very useful in many applications. Dry ice helps keep temperatures low, slows down the decomposition of food, and keeps it fresh. Mining natural ice in rivers and lakes can have some negative impacts on the environment. Removing large amounts of ice will reduce the amount of fresh water supplied to aquatic ecosystems, affecting the lives of aquatic organisms. The ice mining process can disturb the sediment layers at the bottom of rivers and lakes, polluting water sources. Transporting a 139-meter-high, 3,086-ton pillar on the road is an extremely large technical challenge, requiring careful preparation and close coordination of many units. This is a special project, requiring unique technical solutions to ensure safety and efficiency during transportation. The pillar is too large and heavy, exceeding the load limit of most conventional vehicles. The transportation distance can be very long, through many different terrains, requiring detailed transportation planning. Transporting such a bulky object on the road will greatly affect traffic, requiring a reasonable traffic diversion plan. The road and bridge system must ensure sufficient load-bearing capacity and have the necessary adjustments to suit the size of the pillar. The vehicle suspension system must be specially designed to ensure the stability of the pillar during transportation. Column transport convoys are often accompanied by escort vehicles to alert traffic and handle unexpected situations. Would you like to know more about other special transport projects? When large ships encounter small ships believed to be pirates at sea, the situation becomes extremely dangerous and must be handled with caution. Large ships will often try to determine whether small ships are actually pirate ships or not through identifying signs, such as flags, crew actions, and weapons. Large ships will try to keep a safe distance from small ships to avoid being attacked. Before departure, large ships should choose routes that are considered safe and have a low risk of encountering pirates. Crews should be trained in anti-piracy skills. The number and type of weapons that pirates possess will determine the level of danger. Large ships should maintain regular contact with authorities to update information on the security situation at sea. Would you like to know more about this topic? The super powerful snowplow is an indispensable tool in areas with harsh winters and frequent heavy snowfall. After being scraped, the snow will be pushed far away thanks to the centrifugal force created by the rotation of the fan blades. Some machines also have an adjustable exhaust pipe to push the snow as desired. Snow is fed into the machine's hopper through suction pipes or conveyor belts. After being crushed, the snow will be pushed out of the exhaust pipe at high speed. The more powerful the engine, the more capable the machine is of handling large and thick amounts of snow. The higher the rotation speed, the farther and faster the snow is pushed. Do you want to know more about other types of snow plows? From tiny gummy bears to powerful electric scooters, we have been on an exciting journey of manufacturing together. Each product is the result of endless creativity and the application of modern technology. Join us as we continue our journey to explore the industrial world, where science and engineering always create wonders. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos about the advanced technologies that are changing our lives.